Hello, my name is Noe and welcome to another video in the series of how to use Burrow. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to use our row navigation function. So you're going to notice how we're currently in a vineyard, but our row navigation function actually works in almost any row, anywhere from blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and even citrus. So to begin, we want to keep in mind the row distance that we want to set on the burrow. Typically people go 100 meters in and out, but for today's video, we're just going to set it to about 30 to 40 meters. So to do that, we're going to go to our settings on the top right corner of the main UI, and we're going to go to the row distance slider, and we're going to set it to 30 to 40 meters. So 30 meters. Now we're going to go back to the main menu, and all we have to do is tap on the burrow indicator with the two arrows. So you're going to say it says loading row navigation, and all we have to do is step to the side and hit the black button on any yellow panel, and Burrow will start going inside the row. Another common question we get is, how does Burrow know when to stop for a picker, right? So if I'm a picker and I'm ready to drop off the grapes, well, all I have to do is wait for Burrow to come to me, stand in front of it, and Burrow will automatically stop. Now, I don't just want to stand in front of it and get out of the way, because as soon as I reach my grapes, it's going to go away. What I actually want to do is hit that red stop button in the back, or if I'm on that side, hit the red button in the front. So all I have to do is load the grapes, and if there's more pickers inside the row, I hit the black button. If I'm the last one or the only one in the row, I would hit the white button to have it go out to the table. But in this case, I'm going to hit the black button. So you're going to notice how Burrow is going to come to its set distance, and now it's going to go back out. So the reason for this is if there isn't anybody near the set distance that we gave Burrow, it will automatically go back out. Now you are going to notice how Burrow actually came to the front of the row. In row navigation, that's all Burrow does. So it returns home to the front of the row. If I start row navigation here, it'll return here. So that's essentially how you use row navigation. Stay tuned for our next video where we will show you how to use our auto routes function.